Raw Rocket. It's a movie, Marcel. You knew that all the way along. What was that?
No, it's just like, that's on the no me yearly thing. No, I'm allowed to use it. Call my mom, remember?
There's some, Nora, there's some photos on the other blog if you want to
Oh, good.
put those up.
Yeah. These are exciting because they've got graphics on them. Oh, yeah.
I already put some from the
I think I would have shown you guys already up on our Facebook.
And this is in process. It's going to be very cool. Masking tape there. Looks like heck, but we're going to put you on it later just to see the finished
They're on Facebook.
thing. It'll be awesome. Oh, I got some freehand going. Nice color combination. Yeah, good contrast. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Wow. Now that is contrast. Yeah. Good work. Now what's going on here? What are you doing?
Okay, which one is it?
Oh, the second one, the company one. A very musical board. A very musical board. Yep, that's pretty awesome. They are putting wheels and trucks on.